Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm giving you guys a skincare routine. This has been highly requested for years on Instagram and YouTube, so I was like, let me go ahead and do one. I tried to do one the other day, but I was under the influence, so that was an epic fail. But I'm here today to give you guys a routine for you guys. I don't do this every day, only when I'm trying to like pamper myself, but I do need to start doing this every day. And as you can see, I have a pimple right here. I don't know where this came from, but my mother nature is knocking on the door around the corner somewhere. So I'm preparing myself, and I'm trying to prepare my skin. Since I started YouTube, you guys know my skin was horrible. I had pimples all on my cheeks, my forehead. I had bad dark spots, like really bad dark spots, like super dark. Like super dark. It was like crazy. It was a point in time that I always wore makeup. Like you would not see me without any makeup. But now I don't care, y'all. I love not wearing makeup. Like my skin needs some tender loving care sometimes. And this pimple's so big, but this is how my skin looks. I really haven't been taking care of it like I should be, but I'm trying to get back on track because my skin has improved a lot, and I'll be showing you guys products that I've been using to help with that. The first thing is the SHIEIDO Brightening Cleansing Foam. And you guys, I love this stuff due to the fact that it does help with brightening, and it's not like a bleaching cream or anything. It's simply a brightening. So it's going to help with high pigmentation. It's going to help with dark spots, like any uneven skin tone that you have going on. It's going to make your skin one. So it's not going to make you lighter. It is going to help even your skin tone, which we want to need. And also sometimes I use this as a mask as well. So I rub it all in, as you will see, and then you're going to see me leave it on for like a couple of seconds. A commercial break. This is Julia's Malaysian curly hair in the bundles 24 and 26. I'll make sure to have everything down below for this affordable hair in the description box. You guys, wash your hands before you touch any part of your face, because you don't want any bad bacteria on your skin, because you know we always touching stuff and you don't know where everybody's hands been. So I just put this all over, nothing fancy, and it's super creamy, so you really don't need a lot. But I'm extra, so I just do a lot. So I'm back with my towel, and it's kind of warm. So, and you see like some of it has disappeared. So I'm just gonna take my towel and just wash my face. And I try to, well, I do this every day, but I try to do this at night too. So this is how the face looks, really refreshed. And I think it's time to wax my chin because I feel like it's getting a little prickly. So I'm gonna do that on here as well. So the wax scripts that I'm gonna use is the Sally Hansen for face and bikini. So I'm gonna use this on my chin. So I'm gonna use this size. Yeah, I was in the car when I first bought these, and I decided to do them in the car. Don't do that. As you need to warm the wax, and I think you can use the two sides. Switch it off. Oh, that hurt. Oh, it took some hair off, I know that. Ew. Y'all, look at that. I know y'all probably like, girl, you is disgusting. It's life, honey. Women, we gotta stay beautiful. So for my mask, I'm gonna use the BOSICA black mask, and I love this mask. This mask actually works. You just want to put a really thick layer on your face, and this is gonna help with complexions. This is gonna help with pores. This is gonna help your skin look a little glowy, even though it has charcoal, which is gonna detox the skin. It's just gonna make your skin appear and look healthy. So I really like this stuff, and I need a thick layer, especially on my chin. And also, don't get this on your hairline or anything, because it can rip your hairline off. So make sure and stay away from your eyebrows. gonna put an extra layer. But I think everything is pretty good. So if you really, I should, like once I finish this, I'm gonna buy the jumbo one because you do use a lot of products. So look at it, it looks bent up now because you use a lot of products. And it says to leave this on for 30 minutes. I'm gonna leave it on for 30 minutes to 45 minutes because I'm just gonna edit and stuff like that. But I really like this mask because it's gonna help pull out any disgusting yuck out your pores. And it's also gonna help with unwanted hairs on your face. So I highly recommend this. I look good. And my hair is just braided up because I told you guys before I was gonna do a wig later on. So yeah, but this is what we do. Okay, so I'm back and I can barely move my face and I'm talking really weird because this mask is really tight. I think this mask took about 30 minutes to an hour. I don't even know because I was watching TV, but it's time to take it off. Because it does. Like, it works. OSHA Rose Water Mist, and I love this stuff. I use this as a toner. I just shake it up, spray it all over because this really does hydrate my face. Also has rose water, which is more effective than vitamin C. So this is also going to help even my skin tone, help with brightening my skin tone, help with hyperpigmentation. That's what it's going to help with. So no, this is not going to bleach the skin. Just going to help everything become even. And it's going to also hydrate your skin as well. So I really do like that. And I'm gotta buy some more. So after my toner, I go in with my eye cream. And I use the LANEIGE eye sleeping cream. Well, eye sleeping mask. And I love that it has this applicator on it. So it's going to really cool down my under eyes. And help with like puffiness, help also hydrate my under eyes because sometimes my under eye can get a little dry. And I just pat that all around. And you can use this as night as well. And I like that you can use this as an eye mask. You can use this as an eye mask and you also use this as an eye cream like serum for every day. So now I'm going to take my apple cider vinegar. And we're going to help with this pimple on the side of our face because I'm not going, you know. This is not what I signed up for. I mean, Mother Nature, you did it. So I'm just going to put a little on my pimple. Like, Mother Nature's like, baby, you've been doing good. Your skin been looking nice. You've been glowing. I'm here to destroy it. That's how I feel right now. I love Mother Nature, but that's how I feel right now. I'm going to use the Revolution Skincare Multi-Peptide Serum. And this is going to help plump my skin, help with fine lines, and also help with texture, which I really need. And then I'm going to go in with the Mario Vitamin C because, as you guys know, we are trying to help brighten our skin and even our skin. So y'all probably like, hello, what in the hell? So now I'm going in with my makeup. Now I'm going in with my Revolution. And this is going to help plump my skin, help with fine lines, and also help with the texture. So we're just trying to get everything under control in my skin. So the next day, I can do a makeup tutorial because I cannot do a makeup tutorial with this big old pimple. Okay, so for my moisturizer, I'm going with the MURAD Charged Water Gel. And I really, really love this moisturizer because it's a water gel and I have combination skin. So this is going to help moisturize my skin, but it's not going to overly moisturize. And I love how this looks with my makeup. It's also going to help plump the skin because it's water. Water helps plump. So, oh, I love this stuff. So it's going to help with texture. It's going to help with smoothing. And it's going to help with plumping the skin. Everything you need to look young. So everybody should moisturize their skin. I don't care how oily you are. I don't care how dry you are. You need to moisturize. The reason why people are really, really oily is because a lot of people do not moisturize their skin. So what their skin is doing is producing a lot of oils so it can hydrate the skin, basically. So that's why a lot of people is really oily, because your skin needs moisture. And then the last step is the LANEIGE lip sleeping mask. You guys, I love this mask. First off, like, this lasts a very, very long time. It's only like 20-25 bucks. So get it, especially since Sephora is having their VIB. Get it while you can. Look how much you get in it. Like, and I have a small one for my purse, and I have a big one for like my room when I need something on my lips. And it's like really moisturizing, makes your lips look really good and juicy, and it really does smooth and plump my lips and like make them kissable, you know. You can't be around here with some dry lips. Like, who want to kiss that? So that's basically my skincare routine. Super easy, super chill, super... We're trying to get this skin popping, especially since summer's coming around. And who wants to wear makeup all the time, you know? I don't know if you're going out or date night or something like that, special occasion, but who wants to wear makeup all the time in the summer? You want your skin to look flawless, look airy, look glowy, radiant. So this is what I've been doing, and it really has been helping. Anything with rose water, anything with vitamin C, I try to use, and anything with peptides. Like, I try to make sure my skin is very hydrated, very radiant, plump, help with fine lines, all of this stuff, because I'm trying to look young, you know. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this skincare routine. I love you guys so much. I really hope you enjoyed this, because you guys have been asking me for a skincare routine, and y'all, this is probably the realest skincare routine you guys will ever see. Like, I have a do-rag on, like, I'm chilling. Like, this is the real deal skincare. We're just washing our faces, but I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for supporting, and I'll see you guys in my next video.